Find length of sequences of identical values in a numpy array. Run length encoding. In a PyLab program, which could probably be a MATLAB program as well, I have a numpy array of numbers representing distances. dt is the distance at time t, and the time span of my data is len d time units. The events I'm interested in are when the distance is below a certain threshold, and I want to compute the duration of these events. It's easy to get an array of booleans with b equals d less than threshold, and the problem comes down to computing the sequence of the lengths of the true-only words in b. But I do not know how to do that efficiently, i.e. using numpy primitives, and I resorted to warp the array and to do manual change detection, i.e. initialize counter when value goes from false to true, increase counter as long as value is true, and output the counter to the sequence when value goes back to false. But this is tremendously slow. How to efficiently detect that sort of sequences in numpy arrays? Below is some Python code that illustrates my problem. The fourth dot takes a very long time to appear. If not, increase the size of the array.
While not numpy primitives, itertools functions are often very fast, so do give this one a try, and measure times for various solutions including this one, of course. If you do need the values in a list, just can use list runs _of_1's bits, of course, but maybe a list comprehension might be marginally faster still. Moving to numpy native possibilities, what about? Again, be sure to benchmark solutions against each other's in realistic for you examples.
Fully numpy vectorized and generic RLE for any array, works with strings, booleans etc. too. Outputs tuple of run lengths, start positions, and values. Pretty fast, I7. Multiple data types. Same results as Alex Martelli above. Slightly slower than Alex, but still very fast, and much more flexible.
Here is a solution using only arrays. It takes an array containing a sequence of bools and counts the length of the transitions. SW contains a true where there is a switch, is converts them in indexes. The items of is are then subtracted pairwise in lens. Notice that if the sequence started with n1 it would count the length of the 0 sequences. This can be fixed in the indexing to compute lens. Also, I have not tested corner cases such sequences of length 1. full function that returns start positions and lengths of all true subarrays. Tested for different bool 1D arrays, empty array, single/multiple elements, even/odd lengths, started with true/false, with only true/false elements.
Just in case anyone is curious, and since you mentioned MATLAB in passing, here's one way to solve it in MATLAB. I'm not too familiar with Python, but maybe this could help give you some ideas. Equals